If you are a business owner, then you need to sell your products or services to wider audiences. One of the easiest ways to do this is to use marketing videos. It would take only a few minutes to reach people around the world. The following tips will help you to create high-quality videos to upload on YouTube. If this is your first time here and you want to build a successful video marketing strategy and grow your business YouTube channel, start now by subscribing and clicking on the bell icon so you don't miss anything. Keep your videos short and information dense. Online audiences have a shorter attention span than you would expect. If you want to prevent people from clicking off while watching, try to keep your videos less than 5 minutes. Your content can be tremendous, however, it does nothing if viewers are leaving before you finish your main message. Take the time to watch other YouTube videos created by other businesses before shooting your next video. Put yourself in the shoes of your customers. You will find out why the videos are being made. Your friends and colleagues can help you out, and the more feedback you can get, the better. If your viewers are continually asking a similar question, then record a video that answers their questions directly. Webmasters also create a separate FAQ page on their website. Another alternative is to produce a video that answers these questions. Then they will have the choice of finding the details they are looking for. Keep your eyes on the competition. You're doing so to help you make your videos stand out. List the different steps you should take to highlight your personality in your videos. Search for similar videos to diversify your information base. Once it comes to video marketing, only half the battle is creating the video itself. You should expect an increase in click-throughs by promoting your videos. Good content is critical, but brand awareness is also crucial to reach a lot of people. People who are good in video marketing know that you have to reply to the comments on your videos. Your viewers will probably have questions about whatever you're selling, so it's best to answer them as fast as you can. Remember that the first 48 hours after publishing your video on YouTube is what will determine the success of your video. If you're having an email list, you can send your subscribers links to your new videos. This is the perfect way to show how to stay close with your clients. Don't rely mainly on YouTube for uploading your videos. You can use a lot of other social media platforms to spread your message and help bring in more clients. Although YouTube is definitely a valuable part of your overall plan, it's also wise to post videos at other websites which are likely to attract the client base you want. Now that you know how simple online video marketing can be, you have no reason not to start right away. You will soon see success and reach out to a much wider audience. If you're looking for a fast and efficient way to get the word about your product, video marketing is the tool for you. Thanks for watching. Hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed today's video and let's know what you think in the comments below. I'll see you guys on the next one.